Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy PALU token on Binance Alpha. So as you know, CZ just tweet about PALU token and it got viral, and PALU token just get listed on Binance Alpha. And as you can see, this is the chart. Actually, it's from 2 million market cap to 71 million market cap. So it's, it's very hype. And if you want to buy it, I will show you how step by step. So watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search PALU. Search it and you will find it on Alpha. This one, you can click it, and this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. As you can see, there is 24-hour high and low. As you know, the low price is 0.002 and the all-time high is $0.1, and the volume is really big, almost 200 million. And I think it will go to Binance Spot, but this is not financial advice and you have to do your own research. So if you want to buy it, you can just click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose the limit order here. You can put the price here, you can put the price you want, then you can put the amount here, and also you can choose instant buy. You can save your USDT or other token to PALU. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.